time for serious business. It's a war of willpower and skill that's about to go down, and you're going to bear witness right here on the Wray and Nephew Contender. Making his way to the ring first is the Team Canada boxer that stepped up to the plate and took this fight on short notice because he knows he has what it takes to be great in the ring tonight. So, looking to even things up for his team going into round 2 of the competition, make some noise for Tariq Desert Storm Ismail.
Still Snoop Dogg and D.I. Guess who's back? Still doing this project. Oh, for sure. Yeah. Check me out. It's still Dre Day, AK. Though I've grown a lot, can't keep it home a lot. Cause when I frequent the spots that I'm known to rock, you hear the bass from the truck when I'm on the block. Ladies, they pay homage, but haters say Dre fell off pop. My last album was The Chronic. They wanna know if he still got it. They say rap's changed. They wanna know how I feel about it. Dr. Dre is the name. I'm ahead of my game. Still puffing my leaves. Still with the
He has been patiently waiting for this moment, and it's finally here. No more delays, no more stalling. Rev up the engine for Team Jamaica's Fabian Truck Tucker.
I got a feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. 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 That tonight's gonna be.
The truck is in neutral and I'm a wait for take a gear. The storm is calm now, but only for a short while. So let's squeeze in tonight's tail of the tape before things explode. Patrick, it's over to you.
Thank you very much, Crystal. The tail of the tape. It's these two boxers, Fabian Tucker and Tariq Desert Storm Ismail, looking for the last quarterfinal spot in season 8 of the Wray and Nephew Contender Series. Tucker is 4 years younger than Ismail. The height is a wash. The weight, well, Tucker was 6 pounds over. We'll see how much impact that has. Tucker has the reach. He's a pressure fighter. He'll be looking to get on the inside. Ismail has some speed. It is going to be a dandy here tonight. And to get all the details, let's join the ring announcer, Oliver Hardy.
Ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening to you and welcome to the Chinese Benevolent Association Auditorium, Kingston, Jamaica, as TVJ brings you another night of action-packed boxing sponsored by Wray and Nephew White Overproof Rum, guaranteed full strength. This bout is sanctioned by the Jamaica Boxing Board of Control with our president, Stephen Bomber Jones, and our vice presidents, Alexander Johnson and Lieutenant Colonel Derek Robinson. Our judges at ringside are Ransford Burton, Lawrence Newfield, and Ian Jardin. Our timekeepers are Valerie Murphy and Kemar Duncan. And our doctors at ringside, Dr. Arain Howell, Dr. Andre McDonald, and his short-time team. Okay, boxing fans, here we go with our main event of the evening. 5 rounds of boxing in a welterweight matchup. And now, ladies and gentlemen in attendance and boxing fans joining us around Jamaica, live from the CBA Auditorium, it's the Wray and Nephew Contender! Introducing to you first, boxing out of the red corner, representing Jamaica by way of St. Thomas, Jamaica, wearing white trunks with black trim. He weighed in at 151 pounds. He has a professional record of no wins. He has a professional record of no wins, 2 losses, 1 draw. Fabian Chuck Tucker. And his opponent across the ring, boxing out of the blue corner, representing Canada by way of Toronto, Ontario, wearing white trunks with black trim. He weighed in at 145 pounds. He has a professional record of 1 win, no losses. Tariq Desert Storm Ismail. And our third man in the ring, our referee, Peter Richards.
So Peter Richards trying to corral the excitable Tariq Desert Storm Ishmael. Seems to be a showman. I'm not sure if it is anxiety, but he's bouncing along, ready to go in the white trunk with the black trim. Fabian Tucker also in white trunk and black trim. That's Peter Richards. That's Fabian Tucker, the Jamaican. And across the ring, his Canadian opponent, Tariq Ishmael. He came in at 145 pounds. Tucker, 6 pounds over. And let's see if his actions can match his abilities. Already I saw him throwing an elbow. That's a kickboxing tactic that's acceptable there, but not here. And Peter Richards will have to look for these tactics, whether they are deliberate or instinctive. And Tucker is making Ishmael know that this is not a time to play. Tucker is a pressure fighter, and I suspect that his advantage tonight that he can craft is to pressure Ishmael and work his way on the inside. Ishmael has to stay on the outside. He hasn't thrown any punches yet. And Tucker is mixing it up with Ishmael. And you see Ishmael in that mixed martial arts stance. So he is not a measured boxer. 1 professional fight, 1 win a year ago.
Break it up.
But what I can tell you is that he's tough. So he's not going to be easily disposed of. Ishmael biding his time, Tucker applying the pressure. Speculative jabs by Ishmael. In, picked off by the gloves of Tucker, and Ishmael backs out. Midway round 1. Ishmael is taking no chances. But he's trying to use his speed, his movements. He's just bouncing. It's like he's in a pinball machine. And he has to protect himself. Box your way out of it. Can't just open your arms like that. You have to protect yourself at all times. And Tucker is in a no-nonsense mood. He has to remain disciplined and not get frustrated by the tactics of Ishmael. A showman. Let's see if he can back it up. Less than 30 seconds to go in round 1. Already you can see that Tucker is getting frustrated. He just has to remain patient. Ishmael has to start doing some work because this round will go to Tucker. He's the busier fighter. And folks, 95% of scoring a round is clean punches. Tucker has landed the cleaner punches and more of them. And just at the bell, Ishmael with unleashing a combination. Too late. Tucker